Hey everyone, you're having a blast with friends at a restaurant. The food is amazing, the company is even better, but then comes the dreaded time to split the bill. You reach for your phone, open Venmo, and start entering the amounts. But a question pops into your head: how long will it take for the money to transfer? The basics of Venmo transfers. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money quickly and easily. When you send a Venmo transfer, it typically goes through a few steps before reaching the recipient's account. Initiating the transfer, you enter the recipient's username, the amount, and a note, optional. Verification: Venmo might ask you to verify your identity through a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Processing: the transfer is processed by Venmo's system. Delivery: the funds are sent to the recipient's bank account or Venmo balance. Factors affecting transfer speed. The time it takes for a Venmo transfer to complete depends on several factors. Recipient's bank: if the recipient is using a bank that is slower to process transactions, the transfer might take longer. Transfer type: instant transfers, which require a fee, are typically processed faster than standard transfers. Venmo's system: sometimes technical issues or high traffic can slow down transfers. Your bank: if you're using a bank that is slow to process transactions, it might affect the transfer speed. How long does it typically take? Standard transfers: standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to complete. This means that if you send a transfer on a Friday, it might not reach the recipient's account until Monday. Instant transfers: instant transfers are typically processed within minutes. However, there's a fee associated with using this feature. Tips for faster transfers. Verify your identity: ensure that your identity is verified with Venmo to avoid delays. Use instant transfers: if you need the funds to arrive quickly, consider using instant transfers. Check bank hours: if the recipient's bank is closed, it might take longer for the transfer to be processed. Contact Venmo support: if you're experiencing significant delays, don't hesitate to contact Venmo's customer support. Common transfer issues and solutions. Pending transfers: if a transfer is pending, it means that it's still being processed. This could be due to various reasons, such as verification issues or technical difficulties. Failed transfers: if a transfer fails, you'll typically receive a notification. This could be due to insufficient funds, incorrect recipient information, or other issues. Delayed transfers: if a transfer is delayed, it's usually due to factors mentioned earlier, such as bank processing times or technical issues. Additional considerations. Security: Venmo takes security seriously, but it's always a good idea to protect your account by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Fees: while standard transfers are typically free, there are fees associated with instant transfers and certain other features. Customer service: if you have any questions or issues, Venmo's customer support is available to assist you. Conclusion. So, the next time you're ready to split a bill or send money to a friend, you'll have a better understanding of how long a Venmo transfer might take. Remember, factors like the recipient's bank, transfer type, and Venmo's system can influence the speed. By following the tips and being aware of potential issues, you can ensure a smooth and efficient transaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.